Hey everyone, in this video I will teach you that how we can use the React useState hook with very easy and simple example. So watch full video and don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, open your code editor. I am using the VS Code editor. You can use whatever you want. This is very easy and simple to use. That's why I'm using this. So here I will import the React hook, which is useState. Import useState from React. Here in the div I will create a h1 tag. In this tag I will write useState learning. This is our heading for this example, and then I will create div, and then here I will write one. You will see why I am using this. I will create another div and create two buttons, first button and then second button. Here before the return I will create a constant. This is the way on which we will use the useState hook const, and then array. In this array we will use count and setState. This is the two values for the useState. The first one count will be for the initial state, and the second one will be for to override the initial state. In this useState we will give this the initial state, which is 1. So here I used this one. I will use here the count because the count value is 1. So this is our initial state here. Now let's see this in the browser. Here you can see this. I am using here the CSS. So I will use the class name f and text align center margin 300 pixel. You can see this here. Now you can use here whatever you want in this useState. This will be the initial state of this useState, and the names of this is totally up to you. You can use whatever you want. Here I will use an event which is on click in these buttons. So before return I will create an arrow function for the increment. Here I will create a constant and then increment. This is our arrow function. Here we will override the initial state of the useState. So here we will use setState count plus 1. So this will override the initial value. And now here I am creating another arrow function for the decrement button. So here I will use setState count minus 1. So this will decrement when we click on the button. For the buttons I am using the class name button to add CSS for this button, and also for the h1 which is for our heading, and also for the count. So here we will add some CSS for the count. Font size 30 pixel, and now for the button height 40 pixel, width 60 pixel, and border radius 5 pixel, and border none, and then background color red, color white, and cursor pointer. Now I will use the hover for this button, which will be ground color gray. When we will hover on it, the color will be gray, margin 10 pixel. So you can see this is working, and on click this is also working. When we click on the increment, it is incrementing, and on the decrement, it is decrementing. We can add here a multiplication or a reset button. So I am adding here a multiplication button. I will create a function for this to set state to count plus count multiplied by 2. So in the set state I will add count multiplied by 2. So whenever we will click on the button, this will be multiplied with 2. So here you can see these are working, and now I am creating a reset button on which we will reset this count. So I will change the title for the button and then the unclick function name. So this is a reset function here. I will create the function for the reset. Set state count 0. So you can see this is working. So this is the easy way to use the useState hook. If you enjoy the video and learn something from this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.